Well, this is a good example of one of the small problems you get when you have chickens. This is a normal egg. It's got a hard shell. But this, can you see? It bounces. This is not a shell. This is the membrane. And it's already starting to, and you can see it's just never going to crack. It's just the membrane. The egg itself is fine. We'll give that to the dog. Now,
right on cue.
Yes, of course, right on cue. What you need to realize is this can be because you have very, very young chickens who are not laying quite right just yet, and that well could be the case.
We had that double yoker as well.
We had a double yoker the other day, and we could say it's that, or it could be that we are misfeeding them and they're not getting enough calcium. So you need things like grinding up their own shells. But if you don't grind them up, they might think that you can eat any eggs. So you don't want to do that. So when you've got a broken egg, you put it in the oven, make certain it gets to be crispy and dry. You can then crunch it up easily. And when it's a sort of very fine, you can give it to them. But you can also buy very, very large bags of oyster shells. And they come ground up if you want. So you have solutions. It can be that you're misfeeding them because you're giving them too much bread, too much ordinary stuff that isn't really got the calcium in it. But we've only got one hen doing this, and she's very young. But there is another, and that's more likely with us, and that is that they get stressed. If they're stressed at night time, they don't produce the eggs. Why? Because that's the time they start the development and the formation of the egg, ready for the next day. And we have been in the process of getting rid of how many? 6?
I think we've lost, 6 have gone.
Yeah, six of our cockerels. We have a difficult neighbour who doesn't like even my granddaughter singing in the garden. He is quite a difficult neighbour over noise. But I like to live in peace. So we were about to organise our flock and reduce them anyway. But what we've done is get rid of them quite quickly, which is pretty stressful on the rest of them. They've seen them going. They haven't liked it. You think chickens don't really experience things. They do. So it could be one of those two. The stress now will be going down. But we're pretty sure it's nothing to do with the diet, because we always give them calcium supplements. The egg itself is very, very healthy. I mean, you can see it's sitting proud. It's got a brilliantly coloured yolk. It's a good egg. So I don't think it's that. I think it is the stress or the fact she's the last of our hens to start laying. So it should self-correct very, very quickly over the next, well, few days. But we'll keep an eye on it. And if you see this, don't be terribly alarmed, but look for what the cause is. Now, this is a commercial egg, which I deliberately have broken, and you can see the white is runny. The egg, it isn't luminous. Thank you, Zoo. Get down.
I heard he was getting a treat.
You can see it's a duller colour. This is positively luminous, and look how it sits. This is actually quite an expensive egg. It's not the cheapest egg. You've only got to touch it and it breaks, and you can see this is much more robust. It's just a different product.